Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. As you can see, we have an antenna here. Now I picked this off of Amazon, and I thought I would just share it, make a quick video. But this is a dual band 2 meter 70 centimeter antenna for an HT radio. Something like this. Now they make these in male and female SMA connectors, and buy a couple different brands on there. Try to hold it still here, and we can get some measurements. So if we hold it there, it's about 6 inches long overall, and a little over 2.5 inches, 2 3/4 inches from outside to outside here. So if we just hold that like that, get an idea. But it fits on there pretty good. Now I've been listening here to the radio to see if picks up anything. It was picking up a repeater. I'm not sure which one to see how far the repeater was away, but I don't live in a very active repeater area. But what I might do is test this out with the SDR and see if we can listen to basically any frequency within range, and see if that see how well it does. But that's pretty much it. I'll throw a link in the description for the antenna, and thanks for watching.